Hello guys, today we are going to show you how Gudh, or in English Jaggery, is made from sugarcane juice. We are in sugarcane fields of Charsada, KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. You can see these dry leftovers of the sugarcanes which have already been used for taking the juices out, and they are left in the sun to dry, so they use these for the burning purposes in their small furnace. This is the diesel motor. They manually have to start it by rotating it, and the belt is connected to the sugarcane crusher. You can see that, and here is where the juice comes out, and there is a pipe going towards that small hut. The juice goes there into a big pan. It's like a mega pan, and you'll see that in a minute. And this is the guy who is actually burning the small furnace. He's putting all this sugarcane mulch in that small hole. This place is to aerate the furnace. Obviously fire needs air. It wouldn't burn if there's no air. You can see this fire from the sugarcane mulch, very hot. It's amazing to see how these guys set up all these things with such small resources. You can see this big pan where they put the melted thick sugarcane juice to dry off to make the jaggery or the gurh. You can see this boiling sugarcane juice here in this big pan. It's bubbling. It smelled so nice, guys. The smell was so good. Let's see. They have already used to make some gurh. You can see the remnants there in this big plate. Now this guy is going to start the motor. Yep, there you go. Has it started? No, it didn't start. He has to try again. Yep, there you go. Well, we'll have to start this way. Just in speed. Juicing started. Put some sugarcane, some fresh juice. It's gonna be satisfying to watch. Just have to put one hand there and it just pulls it in. Such a powerful machine. They made this juice just to collect that in a jug to give to us, so that we can enjoy and drink some fresh sugarcane juice. By the way, it's winter season over there, so we didn't need any ice to the sugarcane juice. It was just this guy is mixing the boiling juice. You need to mix it to make it homogeneous so that you don't get any clumps. And you don't want the juice to burn from the bottom, so you just continuously keep mixing it. It doesn't take long. The whole process probably took an hour or something like that. I think the main time spent is heating the furnace and boiling the juice. As soon as you put it in this plate, it starts to cool down and you just start making small balls with your hand. Here you go. Juice is coming from the hot pan into this plate to cool down and go into the final phase. We wanted to add some dried fruit in it as well, like walnuts, almonds, peanuts, dry coconut, and some black pepper. So I'll add that in a minute. Almost there. There you go. Dried fruit is being added now. All the dried fruit. Now you're going to mix it thoroughly. Mix it So as soon as you start mixing it with the dried fruit on this cold plate, it's becoming thicker and thicker, slowly drying up. They have added some spices. I didn't particularly know the name of the spice. Guys, does it look appetizing? There you go. They made small clumps of it, and now they are going to make rough balls, not perfect spheres, but just the shape of jaggery balls with their hand. They're just putting them there to dry up. It only takes like 20 minutes, half an hour to dry up. I know it doesn't look appetizing at this stage, but believe me, it's still